CLESSHOW.
Hey guys, as you know, in this series we're making animal shapes using Play-Doh. This week we're making a cow. So, let's get into it. For the cow you will need 4 sticks of white Play-Doh. First, start by placing the first 2 on the table to make the legs. Take the other 2 and do as we did with the sheep to make the head. And then place it over the legs to make the body. As I always tell you, try to smooth them out as much as you can, because that helps to create the shape. Now, since the cow is a little bit fat, we're going to squeeze the legs inside to make the belly of the cow look a little bit fatter. The more you smooth, the better it looks. Take some brown pieces to make the patches on the body. We can also use black pieces. Shape them however you like. Take another brown piece to make the horns. Take a small white piece to make the ears and place them underneath the horns. Take a small brown piece and make 2 small balls to create the eyes. Now for the tail. Take a white piece and draw it up. Take a brown piece and make it in the shape of a rhombus and place it at the end of the tail. Place the tail on the back of the cow, and there you have it, your own cow. I'm going to place it inside of the farm.
This video. Check out our other videos right there and subscribe right here. See you in the next video. Bye!